Welcome back everyone. Another video out in the beautiful nature of Sweden. Well, today is going to be a great day. I have 3 very exciting beers I never tried before. One is a special edition. I have a new cigar. We're going to cook some delicious food, some beef patties with feta cheese, and we're also going to have some whiskey fried potatoes to that, so it's going to be really good. And yeah, let's just enjoy this day. It's not gonna rain or anything, so but I took my diamond tarp today. It was a long time since I used it, so it will be a lot of fun. I like this setup. So yeah, let's get started everyone. In Sweden we have this tradition called stödbensöl, and it's after you put up your shelter, you deserve to drink a beer. So the first one I'm gonna drink is a porter, a robust porter. It's 7%. It's a really nice can. It's called mörk, and the mörk means dark. So let's celebrate that the tarp is up. Skål everyone. Very dark, like the name. Very dark and strong. Delicious. Let's start cutting the potatoes. Let's start with the beef patties, or palm beef like we say in Sweden. And we're going to start with mixing breadcrumbs with some cream and some Dijon mustard. Let's add some juniper berries just to make it taste more wild, and also some salt and pepper. And then just mix it around. Add some feta cheese and some ground beef. And 1 egg. Some butter in the pan. Put in the potatoes. Salt and pepper on that. Let's put some whiskey in the potatoes. and one for me. Look at that beauty. Potatoes are finished, let's put it aside. Let's start with the patties. If you like a really heavy, dark porter, then this is the one for you. The mörk. It's delicious, delicious. And let's take a snooze while we wait. The food is almost ready, and to that I'm gonna have a special beer. It's a collaboration between Omnipollo and Sierra Nevada. I don't know what the name is. It's a pale ale, 5.6%. It's a limited edition, so yeah, it's gonna have that to the food, and let's open it and try it. Very fruity, very citrus. Very good, very good. Perfect to this food. Yep, it's done. Perfect. Perfect. Let's warm up the potatoes a little bit. Look at that. Ah, that's beautiful. That's food for a king. Let's try it. Yep, it's finished. Perfect. Wow. That is so good. The hint of whiskey with the feta cheese. Wow. It's so good. Delicious, nutritious. To that beer. It's perfect. Skål everyone. Delicious. I'm usually not a big fan of pale ales, but well, this one was really good. I wanted to try it because it was like a special edition collaboration. But this one is actually good, but I much more prefer a porter or stout, but every beer got its place, and this was great with the food. Oh, I'm gonna have a food coma. Whew. Oh, I'm so full. Whew. Wow. Oh Lord. Let's make a fire and light the cigar. The after dinner cigar. It's a tradition by now, so let's do it. Last time I was out, I dropped my axe, and today I had to go back and try to find it, and I did. It was on the trail, so probably people have been walking past, but no one has taken it, so I'm so lucky. I love this axe. People ask which one it is. It's a Gränsforsbruk. I don't know exactly what model it is, but I just love it. It's a small one, so lucky day, lucky day. And the cigar for today is the Blend 15 from Nicaragua. Oh, let's light it up. Yeah, very much just pure tobacco flavor. A little bit of pepper. Yeah, it's very tasty. I think for 45 kronor this is a bargain. It's really good. It's nothing special with the cigar, but it's just a regular good cigar. So cigars don't have to be expensive. You don't have to buy Cohibas or Davidoff or all those Cuban brands. You can smoke cigars from Nicaragua or anywhere. It's really good. And the beer is good, but it's nothing special really. Maybe I had some higher expectations because it was a collaboration, it was special edition, but yeah, it's a good beer, but I could probably have bought one for half the price and it would be equally good. So, but I have the most exciting beer left. We're gonna take that a little bit later. It's I drank it before. It's really good. I can't really remember how it tastes. I think it's like it's a stout. I think tastes a bit like cookies and yeah, like a cookie pastry stout. But yeah, let's check that a little bit later. Let's just enjoy the cigar and the beer and the fire. So lovely to be out like this, and you can hear the birds and just look at the trees, and it's so peaceful and nice. I love this. So my friends, this is the last beer. It's a stout and it's a dessert in a can. I don't know if you can see it. It's a beautiful can. It's from Amundsen, Napolitan ice cream. It's 10.5%, so it's pretty strong. Yeah, let's open it. It's so exciting. It's so good. This is exactly what the name is. Dessert in a can. It even smells like sweet. So delicious. Let's try it. Skål. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so good. It's amazing. Wow. It really tastes like, I don't know, pastries, ice cream. Oh, it's so good. It's thick, it's dark. It's just super delicious. Happy I brought this one. Delicious. Delicious, nutritious. Wow. I can really recommend this if you like sweet stout, strong sweet stout. Man, this is good. Good morning. Oh, I slept for 11 hours. As usual, normally at home I sleep for 6 hours, but out here in the fresh air I sleep for 11. Oh, it's so nice. Oh yeah, let's start the day. I don't know if I'm gonna eat any breakfast. I miss Vivi, so I just wanna get home fast. Oh, let's start the day. Oh, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I did for sure. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care until next time.